Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use zoom in on the display of your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To zoom your laptop screen, you're going to have to use the combination of Windows button combined with plus button. So just press them both at the same time, and this will immediately zoom your device's screen. Now, after zooming your screen, you'll be able to adjust magnifier settings using minus and plus icons to change the zoom level. The next two icons will reset the zoom level. The play icon will start reading text from your device's screen, and this icon will let you choose from which place you want to start reading.
Reset.
Now, the gear icon will open quick settings menu where you can adjust the speed of the magnifier and also choose the voice of the reader. You can access more settings by either clicking Go to Settings here, or instead we can go to the Start menu, open Settings, open Accessibility on the sidebar, find Magnifier, and open this menu. Here we can also enable or disable the magnifier. We can adjust the zoom level and the zoom increment in here. And most importantly, we can change the view of the magnifier by expanding this list and selecting one of the three available views. So as you can see, we have docked magnifier, full screen magnifier, and lens magnifier. And each of them has different settings. For example, and to access the settings, we're going to have to open the View menu, and here we'll be able to find all of them. So for docked magnifier, we can enable or disable mouse pointer following, keyboard focus following, text cursor following, and narrator cursor following. And now if we change the docked magnifier to full screen magnifier, we'll be able not only to change the following settings, but also the keeping the settings of keeping the mouse pointer and the text cursor on the screen. So we can keep the mouse pointer or the text cursor either within the edges of the screen, which looks like this, or centered on the screen, which looks like this. And now if we switch to lens magnifier, we'll be able to change its height and also its length to adjust its size to our needs. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.